Hello everyone, welcome to the Timeless Elegance. Beautiful woman sitting on the garden bench. She wears short sleeve of white dress with ruffled decorations and black lines. She got attractive black color shiny high heels. She holding black color purse. She got silver color rings and ash color bangle. She also has silver color necklace and simple glasses. She's looking very gorgeous with a light pink color lipstick and maroon mixed brownish hair. Amazing lady sitting on the desk. She wears black color skirt and long sleeve white color blouse with front knot. She got attractive red color high heels and black stockings. She got elegant silver color bangle and silver necklace. She's looking stunning with her attractive glasses and blonde color messy hair. Elegant woman sitting on the sofa. She wears black and red color long sleeve dress with black high heels and black stockings. She got attractive silver color rings. She has beautiful tattoo of her right hand. She's looking very natural with her simple look and dark color short hair. Elegant woman standing near the bed. She wears black color asymmetrical hem skirt and long sleeve white color blouse with front buttons. She got matching black color shoes. She's looking graceful with a simple makeup and reddish curly hair. Beautiful lady sitting on the couch. She wears strappy blue color pattern print dress with brown color stockings. She got attractive rings and white color pearl bangle and brown color wristband. She got attractive cross tattoo of her right hand finger. She's looking very stunning with her amazing look and dark color wavy long hair. Elegant lady standing near the stool. She wears red color skirt and long sleeve white color top with black high heels and black stockings. She got attractive ring and matching bangle. She got elegant long earrings. She's looking very attractive with her beautiful eye makeup and blonde color hair.